Time to musk up. Wow.
So today I am unboxing Shalimar Millesime Tonka. Limited release, I think this came out a couple of months ago. My guy from Saks Fifth Avenue in New York City hit me up, told me they got in some more bottles after they sold out. And yeah, I grabbed it up. I figured if I don't like it, I can always get rid of it for the price I paid or maybe more. Although it's been coming in and out of stock on Guerlain.com. So if you're interested, you should put in your email and they'll let you know when there's a restock. I'm sure this is more for the women. And well, whatever, let me just show you this. I don't want to make this drawn out because I don't think there is, I don't want to make this drawn out because I don't think there is much to talk about here. And I'll let you know why, but here we go. A beautiful classic bottle. Got the ribbon on the cap there. I like the black label here now. This is an EDP concentration. Nice black. Box is black. I kind of like it gold on the top. Barcode, batch code, and then the ingredients on the back. This is not a natural color. Of course, there is yellow, red, and violet colorants in here. And this is essentially a flanker, of course, with added tonka bean in here. Last year they had one with added vanilla in here, and this is the classic kind of incensey, leathery, floral vanilla fragrance from Guerlain. Vanilla is something that they are infamous for, famous for, and I don't really care for vanilla. I think vanilla is a very gourmandish note. If it's not backed by some aromatics or some woodiness or some spiciness, something to counteract that gourmand facets, I don't really like it. I think it's very lazy way of making perfume, just throwing vanilla into something because it's such a likable note, mainly for, I guess, for women's fragrances. And nowadays men are wearing sweet vanillic fragrances as well, although I'm one to talk really because I'm holding a bottle of this, but nonetheless, yeah, so basically what you're gonna get here is Shalimar, the EDT in particular, with an added tonka bean here. The differences I find here is mainly in the, of course, the tonka bean, and I think there is some amped up almondy, some bitter almond touches here. Although this does have vanilla in it, I don't think this is overly sweet, but overall the fragrance is very dry and powdery, slightly incensey and floral, mainly jasmine in here that I get. Very green, kind of medicinal, almost chocolate-like this comes out. But just picture the original, the EDT, with an added tonka bean and some extra bitterness from an almond note here, basically, is what I'd get here. But otherwise, this smells like Shalimar, without a doubt. I would say this is a little bit more unisex than the original Shalimar, but although I know people say Shalimar could be worn by a guy, but I gotta be honest here. I don't like Shalimar in general because of the vanilla, but I still feel that this just gives off vintagey, older women vibes, personally. And sorry if that offends you or anything like that, but I'm gonna be honest, and that's just what it is. Yeah, but all in all, still very nice, very well made. 50 ml. I think this was like 120, so it's not cheap. And yeah, people are really loving this. People were really talking it up for the last couple of months, although it's died down a little bit. But yeah, Let me know if you've got this or if you've tried it in the comments. I think mainly ladies are going to be watching this and they might be a little mad, but that's okay. It is what it is. All right, take care. Bye.